Hello and namaste everybody. My name is Kalpita Patel and I'm here to share something with you, something very beautiful. So what am I here to share? I'm here to first I'll ask you a question. Are you happy? Hmm? Find an authentic answer within yourself. Okay, so let's move ahead. I'm here to share with you a secret to happiness. Hmm, it is interesting. Okay, so most of you must have heard about Sri Ravi Shankar. He has founded this organization called the Art of Living in 1981. And the idea behind this organization is to bring a smile on every face in the planet. Isn't it good? Whole planet, whole of the humanity, because he believes that the whole world is his family. Yeah. So uh, let's see how much we know about our breath. What's the first thing that we do when we are born? Okay, we breathe in. And what's the last thing we do when we are going to die? We are going to breathe out. Now we have some awareness of the breath. It is really, really a very important aspect of our life. But how much attention have we paid to it? Not much, isn't it? Okay, so now the next step is happiness is about the mind, about the state of the mind. So let's see a little bit about the mind. What's the nature of the mind? Either it is in the past, and when you are thinking about the past, you are being unpleasant because you are remembering some unpleasant experience in the past. Sometimes you are worrying because you are thinking about the future. Well, that is the nature of the mind. Then there is the other aspect to the mind's nature, and that is that when someone praises us, right? They may have praised three, four things, three, four aspects, but they may have criticized one aspect about us. And what does our mind hold on to? What do we hold on to? The criticism. That is another aspect to the nature of the mind. Okay, so where is this happiness? So the happiness is in the present moment. And Guruji aptly says that the present moment is a present. It's a gift. So how can we make this difference in our lives? How can we, most of our lives or all the time in our lives, be in a happy state? Okay, so what we do is we understand the breath. So what is the breath? Let's close our eyes and check this out. Close your eyes, sit comfortably, breathe in a long deep breath and let it go. Breathe in with a smile and breathe out with a smile. Breathe in again with a smile, even if it is fake. And breathe out with a smile. Slowly, you may open your eyes. How do you feel? Relaxed, happier, better. Yes, because the breath is a bridge between the body and the mind. So breath is something which actually we need to understand more scientifically. And this we can do in the Art of Living's Health and Meditation Workshop. It's a very beautiful and effective workshop. In this, we learn certain yogasans, we learn a little bit of, we learn some knowledge on our existence, and we answer a few questions for our own self, and we learn the beautiful and effective, most effective Sudarshan Kriya. Sudarshan Kriya is so beautiful that it brought such a huge impact in my life. It was like a U-turn. Yes, I used to be unhealthy by my body. I used to feel weak and I had lost my confidence, which as a student I had really a great one. But when I went ahead in life, things happened which I was holding on to. As you know now, the nature of the mind going into the past, and it had sapped out, you can say, most of the energy from my life. And that was a terrible, terrible place to be. So I was very, very blessed to join the Art of Living course and learn the Sudarshan Kriya, and my life changed. So I would like you to also experience the same thing in your life. And the wise people, the intelligent people always go for what is good for them, right? So I would like you to enroll in the Sudarshan Kriya, the classes which hold the program which is called the Art of Living Breath and Meditation Workshop. And do this program, give yourself this opportunity, and after that, we can talk about your experience. Thank you for listening to me.